Hi and welcome back, and today we have some new coins and a nice person I brought them off has beautiful handwriting, and that was just weird on my camera. Why would it do that? Anyway, thank you for your purchase. Thank you, Stephen. They're actually quite nice coins. So in due course, let's actually get into what I actually purchased. So if you're into silver stacking and you're from Bulgaria, this is probably a good coin to actually stack, 100 leva. But I think these sell for about $30 to $40. I don't think that's $30 to $40 silver, probably 5 to 10. And this one's a high grade coin, and I believe it has been cleaned. You can see all the scratches on the actual coin, so that's a pity. Is there any scratches on this side? No, not as many. So when you get these coins, the condition will be probably EF, except for the problem on there. On the side, we just have some basic information on the coin. I need to use Numistat and find out what it actually says. Then we have this small coin. So I think this is from Sardinia, 1727. Actually, quite like this. Has a crown. I think it's a 2 denarii. This one's pretty corroded. I should have another one somewhere. Is it on the table? Or maybe I've actually put it away into my bag of, yummy goodies in there. So this one, not too sure if I'm going to keep. Okay. The next one that we have is another silver coin. So a lot of these are actually silver coins, are high grade base metal coins. And by the sol, so that's probably 20 centavos or centimos, from Peru, 1866. I'm not too sure on the value of this, but because it's high grade, probably at least $50, I'd say. So I'll need to check out the values of these coins. That's nice. It has the coat of arms of Peru, and on this side it has a lot of the earlier coins from South America have the sun radiating somewhere. And Liberty, that's Liberty, nice, beautiful coin that is. Egypt. So these ones are probably $20 to $30. 5 piastres from 1923, and it has the inscription. Yeah, it goes that way. Can't read that. And here we have, I think that's basil. And this one's probably worth $20 or $30. What a nice coin. Then we have 3 coins from the Austrian Netherlands. So they call it Belgium, Austria. So we have a 1 liard and 2 liard coins. So ad usum Belgi Austria. So at least it's 1745. This one's 1778, and this coin here is the latest, is 1789. So quite a long period, but these are in high grade, probably VF condition. And we turn over, this one is Maria Theresa, that's when she was younger. And this one is Maria Theresa when she's older. You can see they changed the bust like they did in Queen Elizabeth II. So Maria Theresa is there. King of Hungary, Bohemia, Summer, Austria, Burgundy. What's GH represent? Don't know. Anyway, that's quite a nice coin. These are probably like $40, $50 each coins. They're actually in high grade. And Joseph, probably her son. I don't know much about Austrian history at the time. But that's quite a nice coin. Look at the baby face down below as a mint mark. Very interesting. And were these readers or anything? No. No protection. Base metal. You don't really need that type of stuff on base metal coins. unless they're going to try and get some extra copper. Okay, so then we got, we'll look at this Bulgarian coin, another one, 1881, 10 Stodinsky, and yes, probably like $10 or $20. Quite nice with the coat of arms. The coat of arms looks nice. Have lions. I don't think lions ever existed in Bulgaria. And the last lot we have three. These are provisional money, so 5, 10, and 20 centavos. They were provisional because the other coins are actually silver that they issue for these denominations. And as you can see, they're the same. This one is 1879, 1880, and I actually got it for 20 centavos because this is probably worth about $30 to $40 in itself. It's quite thick, all reeded. So put them together. Yeah, look at the thickness, reading, and this one is from 1879. So I actually need to go to Numister and find out more information about these coins and banknotes. So I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. So basically, if you want to actually collect coins, you need to understand, like I did look up these before I actually purchased them. So that's why I did purchase them for the price I did, because I pretty much thought that the price is actually pretty low, so you could actually get a higher price than what the seller was selling it for. And these are probably going to go on resale, not on my eBay, but on my wife's eBay, because as you know, a happy wife is a happy life. Don't forget that motto, unless you're gay.